All right, we are getting ready to dive into this car stereo installation. And this unit is an Eonon UX7. So we've kind of laid everything out, just looking at the paperwork, the pigtails, connections, getting familiar with everything. And the way this is made is pretty cool. The connections and the plugs can only go in one spot. They have their own little home to go to, so you can't really mess this up. Makes things nice and simple. And the wires are labeled. So this, for example, is ground. We know where our ground goes. So anyway, everything's labeled so you know what it does and what it goes to. We have a microphone, backup camera, GPS antenna, paperwork. So I think we're all set. Probably going to get a little bit more familiar with all of the stuff here, and then we're going to dive into it. All right, so we're getting into the installation here. This is the aftermarket stereo that's already in place. I've got the owner of the vehicle here. His name's Zack. What's up, Zack?
Hey.
So tell us what you don't like about this one.
I don't like it has a cheap screen to it, the actual display. And to select anything, I feel like I'm going to break my finger trying to punch the screen.
Yeah.
Just to select something.
Okay. Well, let's start getting this out and get the new one in.
All right.
All right, so Zack is much more familiar with this dash disassembly than I am, so I'm going to let him take off and show us how to take that center section out.
All right, so first off, just tilt the vents back, and there's two Phillips screws right up in here. You just take those and undo them. And then from that point, kind of grab and it'll pop right out.
Easy.
And then on the bottom side, you'll have your 4 connectors. Just unclip each one of them, and then you can set this whole piece to the side.
So how do you get the connectors out of there?
Little tab right there. Push that little tab, and you just slide them back.
All right. Perfect. Okay, so it looks like we've got a couple of 10mm screws there. We're going to pop those out. Looks like 4.
Yep, you have 2 on each side.
Now this already has an aftermarket bracket there. I believe we're going to be reusing that installation bracket. We're not quite sure what kind of wiring we have back behind it. Okay, so they have cut the wires off of the original plug. Alright, we'll figure that out. Alright, so give us a minute. We're going to kind of assess the situation, and we'll be back. Alright, so we got the old stereo out, and it looks like, so in the kit we have this harness here. So normally you would have to plug this into the back of the new stereo, and this would have a vehicle harness that plugs into this. Well, these wires were already cut, whoever did the last installation. So on this one, as luck would have it, this fits the Eonon UX7. So we're going to use that and, of course, verify everything works. So we got to do 2 things. We have to run the microphone and the GPS antenna. So we're going to make a plan for that and be back shortly. I've got zip ties too. You need to zip tie stuff up.
Yeah. Oh.
Alright, so Zach's routing some wires. We're running the GPS antenna and the microphone. We think we can just run it down this A-pillar and maybe behind the seal, door seal. Just kind of tuck it back in there. I've got a little plastic push tool. You need to shove it behind you. This isn't going to pick up much because that microphone's on the dash. Doesn't matter. I can add some screen text. Alright, so Zach is routing the GPS antenna. We think we can route it behind the A-pillar, edge of the dash there, behind that seal. And we'll probably do the same with the microphone. This is all super easy stuff. So basically, you're just kind of routing wires behind the dash, up underneath. We'll zip tie that stuff up out of the plate, out of the way. Make it look nice and neat. All right, Zach's doing some garage yoga. So basically what he's doing is just hiding some wires. You got the GPS up here already?
Yep.
All right, there's the GPS antenna. And right up here is the microphone. Perfect. Wires are nice and hidden. Very cool. All right, we've got the UX7 hooked up. We're going to kind of do a dry run here. And let's see if everything works. You don't have the antenna hooked up, but that's okay. What's your initial impressions?
Oh, I like it. The video quality already is 10 times better than the other one that was in here. And it has a whole lot more accessories and options to adjust your video and your sound quality.
Cool. All right, so let's, you got to hook up your GPS antenna, microphone connection. We've got a couple more connections to wrap up here, and then we'll get it put in the dash. All right, so we're at the point of installation. All of the plugs, the necessary plugs, are plugged in, and we got the GPS antenna plugged in, the microphone plugged in, antenna, both USB plugs. Again, they only go in one spot. It's pretty simple. So most of the time off camera has just been spent routing the wires for the microphone and the GPS antenna, and now we're at the point of putting it in. Four 10mm bolts, 2 on each side. Well, lost that one.
And last one.
Alright, so on this one we did not need the car side of the plug. We were lucky to get the plugs that were already existing to plug into this. That worked out really well. Normally you're going to have a car side and you're going to do a little bit of wiring with some connectors. Not difficult, just match the colors. Alright, so we're going to pop the dash bezel back in place and do a final walkover. Alright, dash bezel is in. Just a reversal of the process you saw in the beginning. Looks great. Alright, so make it official and tear that screen protector off there. Alright, let's power it up. So set up your Bluetooth. Try to get your Bluetooth paired and
Let's see.
huh? She's already been in.
Oh, I got the Zoom app. You know, that's not good.
Uh-oh.
It'll work calls from the car.
What kind of apps do we have here?
I don't know. Oh,
Man, look at that.
okay.
Should I be hiding any of that?
Probably not. Okay. This makes it a whole lot easier.
So this is CarPlay?
CarPlay.
Yeah. Now I've got to mute the music just to avoid any kind of copyright infringement here.
Yeah, it's hearing the Wi-Fi phone.
Nice.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you can do it from there. Let's see. I was trying to figure out how to. It says it's 718, but it's not 718.
It's an hour off at 6:18. There you go.
Yep.
That's right. What else does this do? Is this the app menu here? Chrome, got you. So this is just mirroring your phone, right?
I believe it is.
I'm not super familiar with CarPlay, so. What is that?
So you can get the OBD2 piece that plugs in down here, and you can go through and monitor fault codes, real time.
Huh, well, that's pretty cool. Alright, so we're going to keep messing with this and kind of figure out all of the features, and it looks like it's really awesome. So, you happy?
Definitely.
Awesome. Alright, again, this is the Eonon UX7, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Very cool.